Hazrat Abu Humaid Saidi radiyallahu anhu states that Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam appointed a member of Banu Asad a collector for collecting poor due. His name was Ibn Lutbiya. After collecting the poor due, when he came back, he submitted, "It is your wealth, and this has been given to me as gift." Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam whereupon mounted the pulpit, glorified and extolled Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, and then said, "What has happened to a collector? I dispatched him to collect poor due, and he comes back and says, 'It is your wealth, and it has been gifted to me.' Why should he not stay in his father's or mother's house? We would then see whether he is gifted anything or not by him in whose possession Muhammad's soul stays. Whoever of you takes anything of this wealth will come on the resurrection day carrying it on his neck. A camel will be rumbling, or a cow will be bellowing, or a goat will be bleating." He sallallahu alaihi wasallam then raised his hands to such an extent as we cited the whiteness of his armpits. Thereafter he sallallahu alaihi wasallam said twice, "O Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, I have preached." Sahih Muslim Hadees number 4715.